Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. This is a new rendering of a Audi Q3 Sportback 2026. The coupe-like version with the Sportback prefix appeared only in the second generation. Similar to the previous generation, the coupe-like crossover will lose its luggage rails. In the upper part of a rear window will be installed spoiler, and the windows itself will retain a wiper. Otherwise, the design of the stern is identical to the usual Q3. The third generation Audi Q3 is made on the modernized MQB platform used by the second generation.
Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.